Namaste and welcome to Firozpur, a city that whispers tales of valor and stands tall, guarding the nation's heart. Join me as we uncover the layers of Firozpur, its vibrant culture, strategic significance, and the unsung stories of its people. Imagine a city at the edge of a nation where the wind carries whispers from across the border. Firozpur, situated on the banks of the Sutlej River, shares a heartbeat with the Wagah border. The Sutlej has witnessed the ebb and flow of empires and the silent prayers of countless souls. As you stand on its banks, you'll understand why Firozpur's location is not just strategic but poetic. Let's delve deeper into the heart of Firozpur and discover its secrets.
Every city has a past, a foundation upon which its present stands tall. Firozpur, a city steeped in history, is no exception. Its streets whisper tales of bygone eras, and its buildings stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Founded by Firoz Shah Tughluq in the 14th century, this city has seen the rise and fall of empires. The vision of Firoz Shah Tughluq laid the groundwork for what would become a significant historical and cultural hub. Over the centuries, Firozpur has been a witness to numerous historical events. From the grandeur of the Mughal Empire to the strategic maneuvers of the British Raj, the city has played a pivotal role in shaping the region's history. The British recognized Firozpur's strategic importance, making it a key administrative and military center. The remnants of British colonial architecture still stand, narrating stories of a time when the city was a crucial outpost in the British Empire. These buildings, with their distinct architectural style, serve as a reminder of the city's colonial past. They are a testament to Firozpur's enduring significance through various epochs. In 1947, Firozpur found itself at the heart of a newly independent India, forever etched in the memories of the partition. The city was a focal point during the tumultuous times of India's independence and partition. The echoes of these tumultuous times still resonate in the air. The stories of those who lived through the partition are woven into the very fabric of Firozpur, making it a city rich in history and resilience. The historical landmarks and memorials in Firozpur stand as a tribute to the resilience and spirit of its people. They serve as a bridge between the past and the present, reminding us of the city's enduring legacy. But Firozpur is not defined by its past. It carries its history with grace while looking towards the future. The city has evolved, embracing modernity while preserving its rich heritage. Today, Firozpur is a vibrant city where tradition meets modernity. The blend of old and new is evident in its architecture, culture, and the daily lives of its people. Let us explore the heart of Firozpur, where tradition meets modernity. Join us as we delve into the rich tapestry of its history, culture, and the spirit of its people.
Firozpur is like a beautifully woven tapestry with threads of tradition and modernity interwoven. This city, located in the heart of Punjab, is a living testament to the rich cultural heritage and the dynamic economic activities that define the region. As you wander through its streets, you can feel the pulse of a place that has seamlessly blended the old with the new. The spirit of Punjab thrives in the fields, markets, and hearts of its people. The golden wheat fields stretch as far as the eye can see, symbolizing prosperity and hard work. In the bustling local markets, vendors call out to customers, offering everything from fresh produce to handcrafted goods. These markets are not just places of commerce, but also social hubs where stories are shared and traditions are passed down. Agriculture is the backbone of Firozpur, the source of its livelihood and pride. The farmers here are the unsung heroes, toiling day and night to ensure that the land yields its bounty. Tractors plow through the fields, a testament to the blend of traditional farming techniques and modern machinery. The sight of farmers working diligently is a reminder of the dedication and resilience that drives this community. But Firozpur is not just about agriculture. Small-scale industries hum with activity, and the entrepreneurial spirit thrives. Local artisans craft beautiful goods, from intricate Fulkari embroidery to pottery and metalwork. These industries provide employment and keep traditional crafts alive, contributing to the economic diversity of the region. The entrepreneurial spirit is evident in the numerous small businesses that dot the cityscape, each adding a unique flavor to Firozpur's economic tapestry. Punjabis are known for their large hearts and infectious laughter, and the people of Firozpur embody this spirit. Family gatherings are filled with joy, music, and dance, reflecting the vibrant culture of the region. The warmth and hospitality of the people make every visitor feel at home, creating a sense of community that is both welcoming and inclusive. Walk through the bustling bazaars, savor the flavors of authentic Punjabi cuisine, and lose yourself in the rhythm of life in Firozpur. The local bazaars are a sensory delight, with the aroma of spices filling the air and the vibrant colors of textiles and produce creating a visual feast. Don't miss the chance to taste traditional dishes like sarson da saag and makki di roti, which are a true reflection of the region's culinary heritage. This is the essence of Firozpur, a harmonious blend of tradition and progress. The cityscape is a mix of historical buildings and modern infrastructure, showcasing the evolution of Firozpur over the years. Cultural festivals bring the community together, celebrating the rich heritage and the forward-looking spirit of the people. These festivals are a vibrant display of music, dance, and art, reflecting the diverse cultural influences that have shaped Firozpur. Come, let us delve deeper into this vibrant city and discover its hidden gems. From scenic views that take your breath away to historical sites that tell stories of a bygone era, Firozpur has much to offer. Join us as we explore the nooks and crannies of this fascinating city, uncovering the layers of history, culture, and economic vitality that make Firozpur truly unique.
Don't let the old world charm fool you. Firozpur is firmly set on the path of progress. The city is well connected by road and rail, with the Firozpur junction standing as a testament to its strategic location. New buildings rise alongside historical structures, representing the city's growth and aspirations. Educational institutions have sprung up, nurturing young minds for the future. Amidst this wave of progress, Firozpur hasn't lost its soul. The warmth of the community and strong social bonds make Firozpur special. It's a place where the past and the future walk hand in hand, creating a unique and heartwarming narrative. Every city has its own rhythm, but Firozpur has a certain magic, a charm that lies in its ability to surprise you. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, this city is a blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. As you walk through its bustling streets, you can feel the pulse of its vibrant life. The local markets are a treasure trove of traditional crafts, colorful fabrics, and aromatic spices, offering a sensory experience like no other. Step back in time at the Firozpur Memorial, a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made by Indian soldiers. This memorial stands as a testament to the bravery and dedication of those who fought for the nation's freedom. The serene ambience of the memorial grounds invites visitors to reflect on the past and honor the heroes who laid down their lives. It's a place where history comes alive, and every corner tells a story of valor and sacrifice. The Saragari Memorial commemorates the legendary Battle of Saragari, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Sikhs. This battle, fought by 21 brave soldiers against overwhelming odds, is a symbol of courage and resilience. The memorial not only honors their memory, but also inspires future generations to stand firm in the face of adversity. As you explore the site, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, reminding you of the strength and determination that define the Sikh community. For the spiritually inclined, Firozpur offers solace in its numerous gurudwaras. These sacred places are not just centers of worship, but also hubs of community life. Gurudwara Tibi Sahib and Gurudwara Nanak Sar are particularly renowned for their serene environments and architectural beauty. Devotees gather here to pray, meditate, and find peace amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. The sound of hymns and the aroma of langar create an atmosphere of devotion and tranquility. Take a stroll along the banks of the Sutlej River as the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson. The river, with its gentle flow, offers a perfect backdrop for a leisurely evening walk. As the day comes to an end, the reflections on the water create a mesmerizing spectacle, making it a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or simply enjoy nature's beauty, the Sutlej River never disappoints. Whether you're a history buff, a spiritual seeker, or someone who appreciates nature, Firozpur has something to offer everyone. The city's rich heritage is reflected in its historical monuments, each narrating tales of a bygone era. The spiritual aura of its gurudwaras provides a haven for those seeking inner peace. And for nature lovers, The scenic views of the Sutlej River and the surrounding landscapes are a visual treat. Firozpur is a city that caters to diverse interests, ensuring that every visitor leaves with cherished memories. So come, let's wander through the streets of Firozpur and let the city surprise you with its charm and stories. From its narrow lanes filled with the aroma of local cuisine, to its traditional houses that stand as a testament to its rich cultural heritage, Firozpur is a city that invites exploration. Every corner has a story to tell, every street has a secret to reveal. So pack your bags and get ready to embark on a journey through this enchanting city, where every moment is a discovery.
A city's true wealth lies in its people, their knowledge, and their potential. Firozpur values education, nurturing young minds and empowering them to shape the future. The city is home to esteemed educational institutions, from schools to universities. The spirit of inquiry and emphasis on education form the bedrock of Firozpur's progress. Firozpur is also a significant administrative center, ensuring the smooth functioning of the region. It's a city that understands the importance of both education and effective governance, building a strong and prosperous society. As the sun sets over Firozpur, a sense of solemnity descends upon the city. Firozpur is more than just a city, it's a sentinel, standing guard at the nation's edge. The city is home to the Firozpur Cantonment, a sprawling military base housing brave soldiers. The sight of these men and women in uniform fills you with pride and respect for their commitment. Life in a border town is different, with a heightened sense of awareness and a strong sense of community. Firozpur stands tall, a guardian of the nation, its heart beating in unison with the soldiers who guard its frontiers. As we bid farewell to Firozpur, the city's stories linger in our hearts. Firozpur embodies the spirit of Punjab, its warmth, resilience, and unwavering spirit. We hope this journey has unveiled the hidden gems of Firozpur, a city that deserves to be explored and cherished. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering.